everyone, my name is Sabrina and I'm just going to be talking to you today a little bit about my life and who I am. So, for starters, I was born in Rochester and I lived in Fairport for a few years before living in Rochester, and now my house is currently in East Rochester, but of course I am here at Niagara. This is my third year of college, but only my second year at Niagara. I am a junior. My first year of college was spent at MCC, and that's located in Rochester for those of you who don't know what it is. And what I plan to do after college is go to grad school, and if that doesn't work out, I intend to go work for a company in the entertainment industry, I hope, and have a focus with public relations. And my major, of course, if you haven't guessed it, is communications. And then some facts about me that could be interesting and not as boring as school. Since I was a child, I have always wanted to live in the city, New York, of course. I go and visit a few times a year, and every time I go, I fall in love with it, even more than I did the first time. There is always something to do there. You're never bored. There's tons of places to eat, and I can't wait to go back again. And then I also have 2 dogs. Their names are Sophie and Nico. Nico, as you can see, is in the bottom right corner with Sophie as well. I put a little collage for people that would have liked to see. You can see the first picture of Nico is in the top left corner, and Sophie is in the bottom as well. Sophie is going to be turning 5 years old in October, and Nico is going to be turning 4 years old in November. And they are not brother and sister, no matter how much they look alike. And then just some other fun facts. I do live on campus. I live with my childhood best friend named Sadie, and she is in her second year as well. I am taking 6 classes, so my workload is extremely high, of course, as it is for everybody. And then when I am not at school or working in the admissions department, I work at Wegmans in the bakery, and I have worked there for almost 5 years now, so that keeps me busy. Something else, I went to Cancun on spring break last year, so that was fun. We stayed at an all-inclusive resort, so everything was paid for and I didn't have to pay for anything. And then one last thing, I have been to around 50 plus concerts ranging from all genres, starting around when I was 11 years old. I know that can be shocking to most people, but it's better than some things that people do, and it's what I do, and I will continue to do it forever. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed listening.